Welcome everyone, I would like to show you how to customize apps on your iPod Touch. So all you need to do is head over to settings and you want to scroll down until you see accessibility, tap into this one, and you're going to see at the very bottom, put app settings, tap into this one, and then you're going to see app customization and add app. So what you can do is you can customize any app you want here. So let's say I want to customize the mail. If we tap into this one, tap into the app we chose, you can see you have all these customization options here. So yeah, let's just say bold text, I'm going to set that to on. And button shapes, I'm going to set that to on as well. Once we open up the mail, you're going to see those options available. So let's just open up the mail. Where is it? I think I deleted mail. There we go, right here. And you can see the text is now bold. If there's any on or off toggle, it will have a label on that as well. So you can do that for whatever app you want. If I go back to settings here, if you want to remove the application that you just added, you just tap on edit like so, and then you tap on the minus, delete, and then you're good to go. So hopefully this video did help you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're brand new. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye bye.